Meet Danny. He's 12 years old, so he can't possibly have anything in common with Michelle, a college student whom Andrew, a businessman in his mid-40s, can't possibly relate to, just like Maria, an 80-plus retiree with 15 grandchildren, wouldn't share any similarities to any of those other individuals. Except they're all connected by one thing: technology. Smartphones, laptops, printers, tablets, scanners, webcams, and all that jazz. Whoever you are, whatever you do, there's no part of your life that has not been touched by technology, specifically Information and Communications Technology, or ICT. The ICT industry is bigger than it has ever been before and is still growing at a monumental pace, spurred by increasing demand for better, faster, and more advanced gadgets. Some of the world's most valuable companies are ICT-based. Think Apple, Google, and HP. In fact, Apple briefly overtook ExxonMobil as the world's most profitable company in August 2011 and has cash reserves of over 220 billion ringgit. Russian technology company Yandex was one of the top 10 largest IPOs of 2011, raising over 4 billion ringgit, with similar initiatives by companies such as Groupon and Zynga set to continue the trend. So, the question is, how would you like to participate in this vibrant, lucrative industry and reap substantial rewards? Now you can with ICT Zone Ventures Berhad. ICT Zone Ventures is one of the biggest ICT rental companies in the Malaysian market, with a paid-up capital of 5 million ringgit. We've secured numerous clients on both a short and long-term basis, with 80% of these from the government sector and 20% from the private sector. Our client list includes corporations such as Maxis, the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre, and JobsDB.com. You may be wondering, what exactly is the business of ICT rental? If you have to compare us with another business, then we are closest in concept to a photocopier rental or leasing scheme, except on a much, much larger scale. Those companies rent out multi-function copiers. We cover everything else, from your servers, desktops and laptops to your scanners, projectors and printers. Essentially, everything you need to effectively set up and run your business in the internet age, which makes this a business that has been growing by leaps and bounds for over 10 years. Think about it. Today, technology is advancing more rapidly than ever before, which means the rate of IT equipment becoming obsolete is also accelerated. This then makes it highly inefficient for large corporations and government agencies to own, maintain and regularly upgrade their hardware and software. This is where ICT rental comes in. With its business model, ICT rental can offer to its government and corporate clients full access to the latest and best technologies at a fraction of the cost, low upfront payments, and customized solutions to fit the specific needs and requirements of different clients. ICT rental is an unstoppable trend for smart business leaders, so it's really no surprise that in the last 5 years, there has been a significant increase in ICT rental for both the Malaysian government and private sector, with total ICT spending volume expected to exceed 20 billion ringgit in 2011. As a major player in this fast-growing industry, we're looking for like-minded individuals and organizations to partner with us as we surge forward towards dominating the ICT rental market. If you're looking for a business opportunity with steady, consistent returns of at least 8% on your investment, then you're first on our list. Then, let me introduce you to the ICT Zone Venture Scheme. It's the first ever ICT interest scheme in Malaysia, approved by regulatory bodies such as the Companies Commission of Malaysia, or SSM, and built on the foundation of the fast-growing ICT rental business as delivered by ICT Zone Ventures. That means your investments will be used to drive this business, which will in turn provide you with a consistent yield and capital growth. It's a win-win situation all round. But wait, what's an interest scheme? Glad you asked. It's an innovative investment instrument approved by SSM that allows you to further diversify and balance your investment portfolio and is perfect for those with low to moderate risk appetites. In the case of the ICT Zone Venture Scheme, you'll have the chance to grow your capital in an investment plan that comes with definite annual returns of at least 8% over the next 9 years. That's a consistent yearly yield of 8%, far more than typical fixed deposits you'd get from a bank. Because the scheme is based on a proven, fast-growing and profitable business model run by an established, well-experienced organization, your investments will be put to good use to maximize your income. With ICT Zone Ventures order book that's filling up with contracts from both government and corporate clients, this is the best time for you to get on board and enjoy the great financial returns. Here is an illustration of your potential return on investment. You can start with a minimum of 10 units. The more you invest, the better your returns. So, if you've ever wanted to grow your money with a stable, solid, well-regulated investment with an 8% annual yield for 9 years, this is your chance to put your money to work. Your investment in ICT Zone Ventures changes you from a consumer into a partner in the lucrative ICT rental business. Don't you want to be a part of the technology revolution? All you need to do is speak to our interest scheme consultants to find out more and be part of the one-of-a-kind ICT Zone Ventures scheme now.